Hello friends, a new tool is out from Google AI Lab. This time it is a UI UX designing tool named is Teach. So using this tool you can create any number of UI UX designing, and you can also create no code apps using Google AI Studio within few minutes. So without waiting, let's go to the tools and I'll show you how you can use this Teach and generate your UI UX design without any external help. So let's get started. So just Google it Teach and you reach to the website. You can also find the tools link in the description. So now you can see a Teach logo and it says right now it's in beta, so it's a free to use. So let's click on try now and log in using your Google account. So after login, you can see the dashboard. In the center, you see the prompt box, attachment option, whether you want to build the design for app or web, and so on. On the left side, you can see all of your project with some examples given by Google. If you can click and see if someone has shared any design with you, you can check from here. On the right side, you can see the updates. You can connect with X or Discord. You can check the documentations, and if you want to learn anything new, you can get from there. So from the three dots, you can see the FAQs. You can reach to the forum and see all the questions and answers. If you have any problem with the prompt writing, you can learn from using these prompt guide. So now let's come back to our main area, which is the center area. So you can do multiple things. You can attach some of the images from here, and you can just give it a description about what kind of website designs you want to create. Or if you have any old designs or if you have any sketch, you can just upload it here and just tell what you want for the design. You can use it for getting some inspiration as well. So we are going to redesign one of our website, which is Tweetfeed. So I'll quickly show you how does it look right now. So this is our website. So I just want to make it a modern and latest. This is a pretty old website. So let me copy the website URL and I'm just pasting it here. I can also paste using this attachment option, and then I just want to describe what changes or what difference I want to make into my design. So I have written down what I need, so I'm just going to go and paste it here. So you can see I have written a brief about what the website is about. Then I just mentioned what the changes I want, like I need the color guidelines properly, I need a modern and minimal layout, and so on. So you can just write it down in your own words, or you can use the prompt guide to get it better. One more option is you can just click on plus icon and click on enhance prompt, and it will automatically re-enhance in its own word. Then if you have any color guidelines, you can import from these options. If you have any websites or portfolio or any online your competitors websites, and if you want to get the guideline from there, you can also click here. So this time I just don't want to select any of the color guidelines, because I just want to keep the same colors which I have on my websites, and I have also mentioned the same thing. Next is model. So 3 Flash is the latest model, so I want to just keep it as it is, and then hit on generate. It is that simple.
That sounds simple enough. Let's just do that.
And within few minutes you can see your first redesigned website UI is ready. So after a while, a Teach show you what different changes it proposed. So you can see here it says it analyzed your websites and it has concluded that the direction of website is like this, the typography is like this, layout is like something like this. Now it's generating a proposed structure where what it wants to change. So if you can just go through it, if you think it looks good and if you want to get the similar design the way it has proposed by the website, then you can say yes, proceed with the go ahead and create the website design as you proposed and hit on enter. So it will take some times, and you within few minutes you can see a nice website design will be ready. So meanwhile, I'll show you one more things. At the bottom you can see a plus sign. So if you click on it, it shows you how many different variation you want of your same website. So if you select 3, the website will generate 3 different designs for you. So you can check it out, all of them, all the 3, and you can select one of them and you can start creating more pages for the same website. Now see on your screen the final output. Teach has created our entire brand guideline with the color coding, primary, secondary, tertiary, and what would be the natural color, all the font size. So now if you look at right side, our first landing page of Tweefeed is ready. I like the color combination, the hero sections with all the buttons. And now you can see if you go below, it has added all the relevant section in our screen. One thing I noticed, it has a wrong pricing, and I see there are very less number of images on my website. So I want to add these 2 things. So if you want to make any changes to this page, you have to just select a page, and you can see at the bottom prompt box the image of our landing page is already selected. Now you just have to mention your changes. So what I did, I have 2 changes. One is I want to have some more images, so I just write it down and I just put it down. The second changes, which is the price. So I added all my price with the description, and you can just hit on generate and it will start generating your second image. So now our second image is generating. So meanwhile we can check out all other options this tool provide. So if you select our image, you can see on the right side there are handful of tools. One is the select, so this is what we are using it. Second is a mark tool. If you want to mark any of the area of the image, you can just use this tool. The third is edit. In the edit, if you select the edit tool, now you can edit any of the text directly from here. So you can just type it down here what you want, or you can edit with AI. So that's the edit tool option. The next is a hand tool. You can move your entire screen using this tool. If you want to add multiple assets, like if you have multiple of photos, you can upload from here and you can integrate your own photos to your website. The next is design system. So once you click on it, you can see entire design outlines here. If you want to make it light, you can just click on it and you get also the light mode. Design MD file is also ready. You can just copy and create your own entire design.md file. So that's about this tool. So now you can see our newly generated landing page is there. So we asked to make 2 changes. One is images. So it has generated a new image here, and it has changed our pricing with what we have provided. You see some problems here, like it has not put properly the currency logo, as well as I just want to add some real images. So you can also click on a plus sign. You can add your images the way you want, and you can keep mentioning your changes and it will automatically change for you. If you don't like at all the same design, you can completely revamp and have a new design. Currently it is free, so you can generate unlimited number of design, but I still feel This is one of the fastest way to generate ultimate designs. So now quickly let's take a look at what other features Stitch provides right now. So if you select the page and if you click on top generate button, you can see there is a first option for creating instant prototype. So if you have multiple of pages, you can click on instant prototype. So if you click on instant prototype, you can see a new window. Here you can add multiple of screen. Let's say if you have a pricing page as a separate, how it works as a separate page, you can keep adding all the pages from here, from add existing screen or just create right away using AI. Connect them after clicking on different buttons, and you can create the complete prototype. On the prototype section, you can check for your mobile version as well, and you see how does it look. Now let's go back to a second option, which is variation. You can create multiple of variation. So just click on it. If you completely want to revamp it, just click on regenerate and explain what kind of changes you want, and it does it for you. Predictive heat map is a smart features. So once you click on it, it's going to generate a heat map, means it's going to show you how the user will spend their time on your websites. So now you can see it has generated the heat map, means where most of the people are going to spend their time, and that part you can see with the different colors. I guess you know about what is the heat map and how to check the heat map for your website. After that, go back to your website again, web page, click on generate, and there is more options like mobile app version and missing states you can try by yourself. The next is modify, where you can just click on edit and it's going to help you to edit any text. For images, you have to again go at the bottom, select your a web page, add all the images and instruct AI where and how would you like to add your images. The next is preview. Here if you want to check how does this website look on your website, you can click on new tab, or you can also check directly here through mobile, tablet or desktop sites. So I'll click on new tab and I'll quickly show you how does it look on my real screen. So this is again a desktop. How does it look on desktop? You can click again here and you see an entire website will be available on my laptop screen. So you get all the different features which is important for any UI UX designer. Now next, click on more and you can see the best part about this tool, which is view code. You just click on it and you get an entire HTML CSS code. Just copy it, paste it, and you have your new design ready in few minutes. Next option is copy to Figma. You can just copy the same page, open into Figma, and you can make all the changes there as well. Next is export. Once you click on export, you get so many different options of exporting. One export format I like is AI Studio. So just click on it and then click on build with AI Studio, and integrating with this Google AI Studio to our Stitch design makes it a really uncomparable to any other AI model. How? I'll just show you. So now you see it's opening a Google AI Studio and all my images which is with HTML code and markdown file is imported. Now if you want to add more files, you can simply add from here and then just say build me and not app this time just a website with screen that look like this. You can hot link images from HTML and make it in next.js format. That's it, and just click on build. Now Google AI Studio will create entire my websites with next.js format. Isn't it cool? So if you do not know any coding, these two tools help you to create entire websites, apps, portfolio, presentation in few minutes, and that even uncomparable to any other manual work. So hopefully you like this video and my explanation about how to use Teach and Google AI Studio to create your websites and app. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you hit on like button, subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends who need this kind of AI tools. See you in the next one.